Every morning before you open your eyes, the world has already made decisions about you. The algorithm chose what you'd read. The model predicted what you'd buy. The risk score shaped what you'd be offered. We live inside conclusions drawn from data, and most of us never question who did the math. Statistics is not a collection of formulas. It is a discipline of listening to noise until a signal emerges. It is the science of uncertainty made honest. Today, I want to take you through the logic underneath the numbers, because understanding that logic changes how you see the world. Before we can measure anything, we must decide what kind of thing we're measuring. A category, like nationality or blood type. A quantity, like height or temperature. This distinction between qualitative and quantitative variables is not a technicality. It determines every tool we're allowed to use. The wrong variable type leads to the wrong question. We almost never study everyone. We study a sample, a small window into a much larger population. How much can you trust a window? It depends entirely on how it was chosen and how large it is. A small, biased sample doesn't just give you less, it gives you wrong. Once we have data, we ask, where is the center? The mean is the balance point. Elegant but easily distorted by extremes. The median is stable, resistant to outliers. The mode tells us what the crowd actually chose. Each answers a subtly different question about the same dataset. Two cities can share the same average temperature, yet one is pleasant all year while the other swings between extremes. The mean alone isn't enough. Standard deviation tells us how far each value strays from the center on average, the true measure of how unpredictable a system is. Probability doesn't say this will happen. It says, given what we know, here is how likely. A probability of 0.03 doesn't mean impossible. It means rare. And rare things happen every day. Probability is the most honest language humans have invented for living with uncertainty. Numbers without shape are whispers. When we transform data into a histogram, a scatter plot, a curve, we give it a body. Florence Nightingale didn't just count deaths. She drew them. And that drawing changed British military medicine forever. Visualization is not decoration. It is argument. Statistics does not tell us the truth. It tells us what the truth is likely to be, and how confident we should be in that estimate. In a world drowning in information, that honesty is rare. The real lesson is not how to calculate. It is how to doubt wisely, trust carefully, and read reality for what it is. A distribution, never a single fixed point.